Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. Despite a slower than expected summer season, Jamaica's tourism sector continues to attract new airlift. That's according to Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett. Speaking with TVJ News this week, he provided details on airlift expansion.
We're getting new flights out of Colombia. Wingo is adding 3 flights weekly from Medellin to make 6 flights from Colombia. Copa is adding new flights into Montego Bay. Porter has brought a new flight from Canada covering a number of destinations. We're seeing the Aero Mexico now planning to inaugurate a flight from Mexico City to Montego Bay in December of this year.
The minister's comments come as several major hotels continue extensive refurbishing following damage caused by Hurricane Melissa. At the same time, new international hotel brands are pressing ahead with developments that will add thousands of rooms over the next few years.
We are seeing that the airline partners are showing the confidence because they are seeing the recovery happening. And that's what I want to, that's a message that I really want to give today, is that the recovery is happening strong. And when I visit these hotels that are now under refurbishing, they are coming out better at a higher standard.